So hi hello guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Mayuresh. Today is a Sunday and just like every week I'm come up with a gaming news and update for you guys, and surprisingly this week there are large amount of news and updates coming from the gaming world. But before we're going to start the video, I'm going to tell you a two big announcement related to my gaming channel. First announcement is that this Thursday I uploaded my first episode of Pokemon Nuzlocke Challenge. In this Nuzlocke Challenge I'm going to complete the Pokemon Fire Red game as a water type trainer. So in this Nuzlocke challenge, I'm only going to use a water type Pokemon, plus no legendary Pokemon are allowed in this gameplay. So if you interested to watch these videos, so you can watch these videos on Thursdays. Every Thursday I'm going to upload a Pokemon Fire Red Nuzlocke challenge. But what will happen if the Nuzlocke challenge is completed? This series will contain only 5 or 6 episodes. After the 5 or 6 episode is completed, means the after series is completed, what will happen, which is leads us to a second big announcement. I'm going to upload gaming walkthroughs every Thursday from the different games. So we will meet also on Thursdays as well as on Sundays for the gaming world news and updates. So let's get start this video. But before we're going to start this video, if you're not yet subscribe my channel, then go to my channel and press that subscribe button. So let's get started. Our first news are coming from the Epic Game Launcher. As you know that as a gamer, you know that the Epic Game Launcher always announces 2 free games every week or every month. So this week they announces 2 new game for the gamers. First game will be Air Memories of Old, which is an open world exploration game, which is also adventure game. You have to solve the puzzles and many adventure are enlisted in the game. Second game is a Stranger Things 3. Stranger Things 3 is based on the series named Stranger Things, which is also a story mode action adventure game, and you can use the characters which is in a Stranger Things series. So these are interesting game, and also one interesting news come from the Epic Game Launcher this morning that they are also giving 2 new games next week. So be ready and you can download this game freely on the Epic Game Launcher or Epic Game stores. The second news is coming from our beloved Pokemon Go. As you know that this Saturday was a bug event where we can capture all the bug type Pokemon from all the regions in the Pokemon Go. If you missed that event, don't be sad. Pokemon Go are also announces that the bug type event will be returned on July 1. So if you want to catch the bug type Pokemon, join this event on July 1 on the local times. All the local times are given link in the description. So third is coming from the Riot franchise, and Riot already announces that they will add a competitive mode in the Valorant. So they filled up their promise. This week they added a competitive mode in the Valorant, which will be a 1.1 GB update. So update your Valorant and enjoy the game. The fourth news is coming from the Pokemon franchise. Pokemon franchise announces a new game named as a Pokemon Unite. Pokemon Unite having a same gameplay as League of Legends and Dota 2, and which is free to play on Android, iOS and Switch. The next 2 news are coming from the PUBG Mobile. The Tencent are announces 2 big updates about the PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile are going to add a new map which is named as a Livik map, and most surprising thing is that this map is only available for the PUBG Mobile users. Yes, this map is not available for all the PUBG versions. You can play this map only and only for PUBG Mobile. So second news related to the PUBG Mobile franchise contain the 3 sub news. The first sub news is that PUBG Mobile are announces the Sanhok League event. Second is that they are going to update the Erangel 2.0 again because they are just completed the final touches with the Erangel 2.0 map. So they will update the map Erangel 2.0. So third sub news is very important for our PUBG players because it's related to the flare gun. Flare gun is very important in PUBG player gameplay, and as you know that flare gun always gives a loot which is also used later in a gameplay and which is also leads her to a win. Yes, PUBG also announces the best places where you can find a flare gun, and these are the places. First is the Georgie Bowl, Delta Power, the shooting range and a military base, etc. These are the places where you can find a flare gun and which is also help us in a gameplay. So I just added the link of that article in the description, so go into the description and read that article for finding a better flare gun and win the winner chicken dinner. And our last news is coming from the Riot Games. Riot Games also announces about the update related to the Valorant, that they will add a two new character in a Valorant, but they didn't mention the time and date. So be prepared and be excited to know who are the two new characters they will introduce in the Valorant game. Another announcement they do related to the Valorant game, that they tell the total explanation how the competitive mode works. So competitive mode works same as the PUBG Mobile, means that the matchmaking is related on your ranks, and the second thing is that you can go up and up, means you can rank up by using only your skills. So it's only depend upon your skills how you play good your Valorant gameplay. So this is the last news, and let's move to our next section, that is new game introduction section. And but wait, I'm not going to announce any new game this week, but instead of that, I'm going to announce a top 10 games that you can play on your low end PC part 9 on this Saturday. So we will meet on Saturday again with this part 9. So if you don't watch my 8 parts, so go onto my channel and check there. I already added a 8-part series where you can see top 10 games which can you play on the low end PC. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up button. If you like my channel, then subscribe my channel. I know that I do many mistakes during this announcement of news and updates, means related to the pronunciation and all. Sorry for that, guys. And first of all, many guys just watch these videos but they did not subscribe my channel. Then please guys, subscribe my channel. I will give you news and updates every week. And more important thing is that I'm going to upload walkthroughs. If you want to suggest me any game, then go, feel free. Comment in the comment section. Type the game name. I will try my best to give you a complete gameplay. So until then, we will meet on Thursdays, Sundays, and as well as Saturdays, because we are going to upload a top 10 games for a low end PC on the Saturdays. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care, guys.